Karina here in Covina, connecting with Business Connect company BriteWorks. Now, Business Connect is a program that helps connect local and diverse businesses with Super Bowl opportunities. And with Super Bowl 56 just around the corner, we wanted to make sure you knew about all the important people behind the scenes keeping it clean. BriteWorks, let's go check them out. I'm here now with Anita Ron, who is the owner and founder of BriteWorks. We're here in your office. Thank you so much for welcoming us in. Anita, what is BriteWorks?
BriteWorks is a commercial janitorial service. We provide cleaning services. We're like a one-stop solution when it comes to cleaning. Started the business 25 years ago with 3 vacuum cleaners and $700. It was a point in my life where I had to figure out what I wanted to do. When you're in an office setting and you have to question, did the janitor come in the night before? And I thought, you know what, there's a reason why people need to have a clean and healthy environment, so I'm going to get involved in that.
You are part of Business Connect, and you, I believe, already have a contract. Congratulations.
When I saw it, I thought, you know, I'm going to apply for this, and when I got my call, like they were interested in meeting up with me, I was like, wow, wouldn't it be great if I got it? This would just be absolutely terrific just to let the staff know that I got this. And so it was like a little project that Anita Ron had on her own, doing it and seeing if I could get it. It was my own little Super Bowl game.
Walk us through how to take care of a Super Bowl event. What does that look like?
You could just imagine how many people are going to these parties, how many trash cans are going to be needed in order to meet that need. And so you're calculating them and where are they going to be positioned in every location, and what is the best place to do that, and how are you going to get your people to immediately get things from the front of the line taken out, transported, and removed and put into dumpsters. There's no hiccups on that day. Even with COVID-19 was that we were already in the industry. We already had a lot of these tools that were already in place. So for us, it was sitting down with our partners that we had, our customers, and making sure they were taken care of. That's what we found value. It wasn't about getting more business. It was concentrating on those clients to make sure they were taking place and they were making sure that their employees come back to work.
You're part of the Super Bowl. You are celebrating 25 years of BriteWorks. What is that feeling that you have when you think about all of that?
Being born and raised in Los Angeles, and my parents, how much they struggled to try to put it something better for us. For me to do this and have that exposure, not just saying it's Super Bowl, but giving the exposure for my employees to be able to see that, it really builds up that synergy, and we're just going to bring it here with BriteWorks and enjoy the ride.